Inshallah, Inshallah.
Hello everyone, this is myself Yasin. You are watching my channel, and first of all, I really apologize to you all my viewers because there's a long lasting wait to see my new vlog. I have been made a last vlog since I think 3 months before when my birthday was coming. So yeah, but the reason why I'm making this vlog because I take an admission take in ACCA course TMUC Karachi. So this course is basically belongs my professionist as well. In my intermediate and I've left my studies because I believe in this theory. There is the theory that the successful businessman does not require a degree. It just requires an innovative thought. So I still believe in it, but I think I add this factor. If you get reaching a degree, something about your phase of second shadow of your career. So I think that degree give you a more potential to perform a good skills work and competencies as well. So that's why I think it's add on because the hard work and business is one side and the degree is the second side. So it's a combination which is makes things are perfect. So I believe in that, and that's why I've taken admission. Sometimes the thought is coming in my mind. I'm doing my business, construction business. So why I take up admission? But the thing is that whenever someone has asked me what you done in a study, so I'm always being looking shy and embarrassed sometimes because I don't have a degree. So I think I believe right now I learned this journey and destiny. If you want to do achieve something in your life, so I think you have to a good degree which is give you a more good tag to you and help your making your strong personality. So that's why, and I think all about it today, and that's why I take admission in ACCA TMUC Karachi. So we are just getting ready, reaching university. So let's see what happens today, and we will sign on in car and we will sit on there and you will see our good scenes. So come with us. फिर आगे के सीन्स आपको TMUC कराची से कंटिन्यू करते हैं, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड और कीप वॉचिंग। कैंपस आ गए और अभी देखते हैं बस एडमिशन के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके आ गए हूँ मैं। अंदर जाके क्या सीन है, फिर आगे की सीन से चलते हैं। आए फिर
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be.
और हम आज आए थे यहाँ पे हमें ये एग्जामिनिंग किया कि आज शाहपुला बटाई की ऑफ थी, कैंपस ऑलमोस्ट बंद था, पर डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट मैंने करवा दिया और एडमिशन अलहमदुलिल्लाह हो गया। फर्स्ट वीक से स्टार्ट following my channel as well, and like this vlog also because I've made this vlog after a long time. So signing off from now side. We will meet again inshallah. Signing off.
Inshallah.